These notes are about determining if something is proportional using one of the three representations that we learned about unit rate. So proportionality is basically just equivalent ratios. So let's try this problem. Shady Grove is planting vegetable plants and flowers in the garden. For every 4 vegetables we plant, 6 flowers. If they plant 14 vegetables, how many flowers should be in the garden? So I'm going to go ahead and teach you what the box method is. So I want you to draw a box that has 4 corners like this. And I want you to label it V for vegetables and F for flowers. Labeling it is really going to help you to make sure you don't put anything in the wrong place. So V for vegetables, for every 4 vegetables, I put in 6 flowers. And if they plant 14 vegetables, so I need to put 14 here. And I don't know what this is, so I'm just going to put X because that's what I need to figure out. Now, a lot of people said 4 plus 10 is 14, so this is going to be 16. But that's wrong because that is an additive relationship, and we're looking not at additive relationships here, but multiplicative. So I'm going to take my X and get rid of it, throwing it out of there. So X equals, I'm going to circle whatever 2 numbers are diagonal from each other. So here it's 6 and 14. So X equals 6 times 14. I'm going to divide it by 4. So 6 times 14 divided by 4 gives us 21. So that means that they can plant 21 flowers in the garden. To determine if something is proportional from a graph, there's 2 rules that you need to know. One is that the graph starts at 0, and the other is that it's a straight line. So here are 2 examples. Those both are straight lines and they start at 0. This would be a non-example. It's a straight line, but it doesn't start at 0 and it has to do both. And this one starts at 0, but it's not a straight line. So it has to be both. Your last method is going to help you to check if something is proportional. So if you know the movie Black Panther, and you know they do Wakanda Forever where they cross your arms, that's the same shape of what we need to do for cross multiplying. So go ahead and draw that symbol on your paper. So I'm going to go ahead and circle some cross products here. So I have 2 times 21, and I have 6 times 7. And if these are the same number, this is gonna be equal, and then they would be proportional. Okay, so 2 times 21 is 42, and 6 times 7 is also 42. This is the same number, so yes, this is proportional.